Have you ever wondered how much power your negative thoughts hold over your life? It's a question that might seem daunting, but it's one that holds immense importance. Our minds are potent tools, and the thoughts we harbor within them have the capacity to shape our realities. Negative thoughts, in particular, wield a power that can be destructive. They can creep into our minds uninvited and cast a shadow over our perceptions of the world. They can trigger a cascade of stress hormones leading to anxiety and depression. Moreover, they can even manifest as physical health problems, with countless studies linking negative thinking to a variety of ailments. Imagine your mind as a garden. Negative thoughts are the weeds that, if left unchecked, can overrun and stifle the growth of the beautiful plants and flowers. Understanding the damaging effects of negativity is the first step towards a healthier, happier mind. So let's embark on this journey together towards positivity and peace. Imagine yourself standing in a serene forest, the leaves rustling gently in the wind. Visualization is a powerful tool that can help you combat negative thoughts. It's like painting a picture in your mind, creating a scene that is so vivid and real that you can almost touch it. And you're the artist, you have full control over every detail. Now let's use this forest as our canvas. Feel the crunch of leaves under your feet, the coolness of the breeze against your skin, the sound of birds chirping in the distance. Picture the sunlight filtering through the trees, casting dappled shadows on the forest floor. You are here, in the moment, fully immersed in this peaceful setting. This process of visualization allows your mind to shift focus from negative thoughts to the tranquility of the scene you've created. It's a safe haven, a place where negativity cannot reach. Feel the peace of the forest seeping into you, pushing out the negativity. Now picture yourself standing before a mirror, looking into your own eyes and saying, "I am strong, I am capable, I can overcome anything." Positive affirmations are powerful tools that can help shape our mindset and our reality. Just as negative thoughts can spiral into a self-fulfilling prophecy of failure, positive affirmations can manifest into success, happiness, and self-confidence. When we consciously choose to fill our mind with positive thoughts and statements about ourselves, we begin to believe them. This belief then translates into action, propelling us towards our goals and aspirations. Consider positive affirmations as your personal cheerleaders, reminding you of your potential and worth. They serve as a beacon of positivity, guiding us through the darkest times and inspiring us to rise above challenges. They are not just empty words, but potent declarations that shape our perception of reality and our response to it. So start your day with a positive affirmation. Let it be the first thing you tell yourself every morning. Remember, the words you tell yourself matter. Imagine sitting quietly, focusing on your breath, letting thoughts come and go without judgment. This serene practice is called mindfulness meditation. It's a powerful tool that helps us to become more present and aware of our thoughts and feelings without being overwhelmed by them. When we meditate mindfully, we're not trying to change or eliminate our thoughts. We're simply acknowledging them as they arise and letting them pass without judgment. It's like watching clouds drift across the sky, noticing each one, but not getting carried away by it. By doing this, we begin to understand that our thoughts are not us. They're just phenomena that come and go. This understanding can help us to let go of negative thoughts, instead of getting caught up in them. In addition, practicing mindfulness meditation can bring a sense of calm and peace, helping to reduce stress and anxiety. It's a simple yet profound practice that anyone can do. In the silence of your mind, you can find peace. Picture yourself jogging in a park, feeling the wind on your face, your heart beating in your chest. The rhythm of your strides, the deep breaths you take, they all serve a purpose beyond just physical well-being. They combat the negative thoughts that tend to cloud our minds. Physical activity has a profound impact on reducing stress and combating negativity. When you exercise, your body releases chemicals called endorphins, often dubbed the body's natural painkillers. These endorphins interact with the receptors in your brain to trigger a positive feeling, similar to that of morphine. More than just a mood enhancer, regular physical activity helps you sleep better, improves your memory, and boosts your overall mental health. Whether it's yoga, a morning jog, or a brisk walk, incorporating physical activity into your daily routine can serve as a powerful antidote to negativity. Remember, it's not about the intensity of the workout, but the consistency of it. Your body is a powerful tool in the fight against negativity. Imagine savoring a fresh, juicy apple, feeling the crunch as you bite into it. This simple act of healthy eating does more than just nourishing your body, it also feeds your mind. There's a symbiotic relationship between what we consume and how we think. Scientific research shows that a well-balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains has a positive impact on our mental health. Think of it this way: our bodies are like intricate machines, and the food we eat is the fuel. When we provide high-quality fuel, our machines run smoother and more efficiently. This is not only true for physical health, but also for mental well-being. Consuming a healthy diet can help increase our mood, energy, and overall outlook on life. It can help combat those pesky negative thoughts that may creep up on us. So, the next time you're feeling down, remember to check in with your diet. Feed your body right, and your mind will follow. Picture yourself sinking into a soft bed, feeling the warmth and comfort as you drift off to sleep. Good sleep is not just a luxury, it's a necessity, a vital ingredient for the well-being of our mental health. In the realm of dreams, your mind finds solace, rejuvenates and heals from the daily grind. It's a time when your brain gets to press that reset button, clearing out the negative clutter and recharging for a new day. Studies have shown that lack of sleep can exacerbate negative thoughts and emotions, making it harder to maintain a positive outlook on life. On the other hand, adequate sleep can help us manage stress better and keep our emotions in check. It's a powerful tool in our arsenal against negativity. So, make it a priority to get 7 to 9 hours of sleep every night. Create a sleep-friendly environment, establish a regular sleep schedule, and develop a soothing bedtime routine. A well-rested mind is a positive mind. Scene script. Imagine yourself feeling grateful for the good in your life, helping someone in need, and taking time for yourself. We've come a long way on our journey, and now we're at the final 3 secrets to eliminating negativity from our thoughts. Namely, gratitude, helping others, and self-care. Let's dive in. Gratitude is a powerful tool. When we practice gratitude, we're actively choosing to focus on the positive aspects of our lives. We're acknowledging the good that exists around us and within us. We're saying to the universe, "Thank you for the blessings that I have." This simple act of appreciation can shift our focus from what's wrong to what's right, from lack to abundance. It helps us to see our lives from a perspective of plenty, not scarcity. Next, let's talk about helping others. When we reach out to help someone in need, we're not just doing a good deed, we're also boosting our own well-being. Studies have shown that acts of kindness can increase our levels of happiness and reduce stress. They can create a sense of connection, purpose, and meaning in our lives. When we help others, we're also helping ourselves. Finally, we come to self-care. This isn't about indulging in a spa day, as nice as that might be. It's about taking care of our physical, emotional, and mental health. It's about setting boundaries, saying no when we need to, and prioritizing our own well-being. It's about treating ourselves with kindness and compassion, just as we would treat a beloved friend. When we take care of ourselves, we're better equipped to take care of others, and to tackle any challenges that life throws our way. These 3 secrets, gratitude, helping others, and self-care, are deeply interconnected. They're all about shifting our focus from negativity to positivity, from lack to abundance, from stress to peace. They're about creating a positive mindset, one that is resilient, joyful, and full of hope. Remember, a positive mind is not just about eliminating negative thoughts, but also about nurturing positive ones. Now picture yourself free from the chains of negative thinking, feeling lighter, happier, and more at peace. With the 9 secrets we've explored, you've been given the keys to unlock a more positive mindset. Visualization, positive affirmations, and mindfulness meditation all work in unison to rewire your thoughts, replacing negativity with positivity. Physical activity, healthy eating, and good sleep form a trio of lifestyle habits that nourish both your body and mind. And lastly, the power of gratitude, helping others, and self-care are tools to cultivate a positive outlook and enrich your life. These are not just secrets, but stepping stones towards a healthier and happier existence. They underscore the astounding power of positivity, a force that can turn tides, light up dark corners, and transform lives. It's time to harness this power, to let it ripple through your life, touching every aspect. Change your thoughts, change your life. Start your journey towards positivity today.